Hello everyone, my name is Ezekiel and you're welcome to the 5-second strategy channel. Today we are going to talk about Forex Basics. First of all, a disclaimer. This entire channel is for educational purpose and it is not an investment advice, but if you must trade, I will advise you to trade with money you can afford to lose. Then I want to appreciate everybody that viewed my last video. Thank you for your likes and thank you for your comments. So today we are going to talk about what is Forex. Now there's been a lot of confusion as regards what is Forex. I'm going to simplify it for you right now. So let's say, for example, you travel to the US and on getting there you cannot spend Naira and they ask you to change it to dollars. So you go into a shop, you ask them for the exchange rate and they give you the equivalent in dollars. Now, maybe you now stayed for like 3 days, then you are back to Nigeria. Once you get back to Nigeria, you have to take your remaining dollars. You take it back to a shop for exchange. You ask them the exchange rate at that particular time and they will give you the Naira equivalent. Now, in the case of the digital market, the term Forex is gotten from the word foreign exchange, like the first 3 letters of foreign and the first 2 letters of exchange. Now, the Forex market is the biggest and the largest financial market in the whole world. Now, it is the global market that allows one to trade 2 currencies against each other. How do you now make money in Forex? So let's say, for example, by the time you traveled from Nigeria to the US, the exchange rate between Naira and dollar is, let's say, 200. Then you stayed for 3 days in the United States. So by the time you come back, the exchange rate is now 250. That means you have made 50 Naira profit on getting back after 3 days. So the same thing in Forex. If you think one currency will be stronger versus the other and you end up correct, then you will make profit in Forex. Now, I want to talk about 2 people in Forex, 2 sets of people in Forex. First is a Forex trader and the second person is the Forex gambler. Now, what makes you a Forex trader and not a Forex gambler is strategy. A lot of people lose money in Forex because they don't have a strategy. Now, strategy means that you have a particular thing you are looking out for in the market. The market is so big, it's so wide, you cannot predict which direction is going. The only people that can at least predict to some extent is people like World Bank, the stock exchange market, the big banks. They are the ones that can at least predict for some time. Maybe for 1 hour, they can predict that this market will go up or not. But nobody can predict the market for a long time. Let's say for the whole day, nobody can predict it. But if you have a strategy and you put some tools in place, then you'll be able to at least be 90 or 80% sure of your prediction. That is what makes you a Forex trader. What makes you a Forex gambler is just to enter the market without strategy and you start clicking high, low, or whatever you like. Then you are a Forex gambler. So that is why most of people term Forex to be a gamble. Whereas Forex is not a gamble. It's not a gamble. If you have a strategy, then you can be at least 90% accurate of your position in the market. So who is a Forex broker? According to my story, you took your money to a particular shop and you change from Naira to dollar or dollar to Naira. That shop and the person attending to you there is the Forex broker. That is the simple explanation of a Forex broker. But in the digital market, they have modernized the shop to be a platform. So, a Forex broker is a financial services company that provides traders access to a platform for buying and selling foreign currencies. So, instead of walking into a shop, you cannot do this with your mobile, you can do this with your PC. Now, our own focus is going to be IQ options. Although you can trade binary option with any option broker out there. They have expert option, but I've been using IQ option, so I wouldn't know about others. So our focus is going to be IQ option, and I'm going to dedicate a video for the installation on the PC. The mobile installation should be pretty simple, so I'm going to dedicate a video for the installation on PC. So then we'll talk about currency pairs. Now, if you have read a little bit about Forex, you must have seen people pairing Euro with USD or British Pound with USD or Japanese Yen with Australian Dollar with Japanese pairs. Now, I'm going to give you a quick explanation on what that is all about. So, for example, you have the British Pound against the USD. There's a currency by the left and there's a currency by the right. The currency by your left now is your base currency. The currency by your right is your quote currency. Now, according to my illustration, when you get to the US, you have your local currency and you want to change to USD. The local currency you have with you is the quote currency, and the currency you want to buy, which is dollars, is your base currency. But when you get back to Nigeria and you have dollars and you want to change to Naira, now dollar will now become your quote currency and Naira, your local currency, will become your base currency. So I don't want you to get it confused. It depends on where you are. If you're in the US, your base currency is the USD, is the currency of where you are. That is your base currency. That is the currency you want to buy. Or the simple explanation is any currency you have at hand that you want to sell is your quote currency. Now, for example, you have the Euro and the USD. Then what you see on the Forex chart is your exchange rate between them. Let's say at this particular time, exchange rate between Euro and USD is 1.18. So that will be the particular position of your graph at that particular time. Now, what now happens when the graph starts going up? Let's say, for example, is a line graph or chart. When it starts going up, it means your quote currency is losing strength. That means the exchange rate is getting higher. You have USD, you want to buy Euro. It means that Euro is gaining strength and the currency you have with you is either not moving or losing strength. Now, it's in two ways. It's either Euro, the base currency, is still where it is and your own currency is losing strength, or the base currency is gaining strength and your currency is where it is or is even losing strength. That is when you see the chart going up or the graph going up. Now, what happens when the graph is going down? Now, it means that the currency you have with you is gaining strength. So it's either the base currency is not moving and the quote currency is gaining strength, or the base currency is losing value and your currency still remains the same. Eventually, the chart will still be going down. There's a saying that the Forex market is 24 hours throughout the working days. That is Monday through Friday, which is true. The reason why it is true is that we have like 4 to 5 major players in the Forex market. Now we have the Sydney market. They are basically the stock exchange market of those particular region. So Sydney, then next will be the Tokyo market, then London market, and the New York market we join later in the day. So the next slide will show you when they open and when they close. Now, the reason why the Forex market is 24 hours is because our Sydney session will open around 21 GMT. At 21 GMT here is around 10 p.m. in Nigerian time. So once the Sydney session opens, the Tokyo session will join. Then when two sessions are on, the market is always very volatile in the sense that you can be in the money in one moment and in the next second you are out of the money. Then Tokyo session comes and Sydney session will close by around 6 a.m. GMT. Then Tokyo session will continue till about 8 o'clock. But before then, the London session would have opened. New York session will join at the later part of the day, like 5 p.m. and only the New York session will be on till the Sydney session comes back again. So as you can see, this is just like a circle. That is why the Forex market is 24 hours, Mondays through Fridays. So that is that about Forex session. Then our own focus is going to be the London session open and the New York session close. So as you can see, due to my explanation, you will discover that there are some periods that only one sessions are on. For example, the period between 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. only the London session is on, and the New York session is preparing to open around 11 a.m. So because we don't want high volatility for our trade, we trade when only one session is on. So that is going to be part of our strategy. So to get the full strategy rules that you will follow and will make you profit, you can send me email. It is just $50. Just $50. the course package. It is just $50. Get a video pack, get an ebook, get a live trading session with me, and you get unlimited access to Telegram, Signal, and live trading group. I'm going to start live trading on YouTube, and you also get access to that and see me as I trade just that strategy. Now let me tell you something. You must have seen videos online that will show you plenty strategies at the same time. The setback is that if you have a lot of strategy in your head, then you don't even know which one to look out for. But when you have just one, like this 5 seconds trading strategy is just one strategy that you will look out for at any time you want to trade. Now, it might take time for the setup to show up, or no trade means you are not losing money. So if you are not making profits, you should not be losing money. That is why you need just one strategy that works. So if you want to get this ebook, the video pack, and everything is just $50. $50 is too small for something that will give you a lifetime income. $50. Send me an email. I'll reply your mail and you'll get the video pack. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please give me a like. Write your comment. I will make sure to reply almost all the comments. On that note, I say bye for now. I will see you in next video that I'm going to be installing IQ option on my system. Thank you so much for watching my video.